Okay, so this usually no problem, no problem, no problem. Now this one is 鱼. Yes, so 鱼 one way like with E. So E like this, E. And then you need to close and make here very tight, like straight, like so this is 鱼. If this one fine, then this one, no problem at all. So like this is 鱼. Now continue. 鱼. This is 鱼. So it's 云. Yes, so it's 鱼. Yes. Usually these two have problem. If okay, then other fine. This one like English O, okay? This one is O. This one is ao, like 好, like 很好. Everyone know 你好. So this is ao. This is O. Yes. Okay, who want to try? I want someone who really can make all correct, no any mistakes. Who try? Okay, new student, try. New classmate. Okay, try. Because I saw just you there studying very hard. Yes, try.
A, O, E, I, U, Ü, I, A, U, Wei, Yue, Ü, Ao, O, U, I, Ye, Yue, Er, An, En, In, Un, Ün, Ang, Eng, In, Ong.
This one?
O.
Okay. This one you say all or both okay. Nice, very good. Yes. Also this one, this three, you made very good. Beautiful. Yes. So if who have problem with this one, later ask him. Ask his help. Yes, this is very good. 鱼, 月, 云. This one, this 无意, we. This one is we. Remember? Yes. Okay. Next, who try? Okay, one more. Then we do next. Yes.
A, O, I, U, Ü, I, A, We, Ao, O, U, Ye, Er, An, In, Wen, Win, En, In, On.
Here again.
An, In, Wen.
Okay, good. Yes. One more, then we do finish. Okay, who try? Okay.
A, O, E, U, I, A, W, Ao, O, U, Ye, Yue, Er, An, In, Un,
This one?
Un, An, In, On.
This one?
E,
Yes. Yes, now correct. All other nice. Yes, it's Okay, so later I will give you time to practice together, help each other. Okay, now initial. Who try initial? Oh, this one actually, from here, all these are very easy. Usually here, yeah, a little bit difficult. Okay, who try?
Vua, Pua, Mua, Phua, Đưa, Thưa, Nưa, Lưa, Gưa, Khưa, Hưa.
Good.
Ji, Chi, Si, Zi.
Okay, you just try first.
Chi, Si, Er, Si.
Okay, so this have problem. So this one, yes, it's zhi. So these four, okay, these four 是 yes， 知吃诗日 yes， 知吃诗日 so 知 like English say George， George yeah it's exactly like that George George 知 so if this one you can use 知 then this is 吃诗 okay now let's see this one where are we? So how to say this? Yeah, exactly. You tell your friends, I'm in Shenzhen now. So how to read? Shen. So it's 诗 Shen. This one 镇. So it's 知 Yeah, Shenzhen. You see? 诗 知 So it's this one 诗 知 Yeah, 镇 So it's 知 Shen. So 诗 This one 吃 easy. 吃 like English children, right? 吃 the beginning part. Yes. If these three, okay, this one is fine because it's 知吃诗日 Everyone introduce yourself, say 人 like say I'm Chinese 我是中国人我是巴基斯坦人我是印度人我是巴西人 right? So it's 日人 yes Okay, yes. Okay, who try again? This one. Okay, so this is 知吃诗日 Okay, 知 like English George. Judge. 吃 yes, like children. 诗 like English shell or 深圳上海是上海 right? Yes. Okay, here it's easy. The first one is 字 Yes, 字 This one 是吃 This one 是思 This one 吃 like English say That's mine 吃 Yes, this one 吃 思 easy like English 7 7 4 This is 吃 字 like English 固字 So it's 字 吃 思 E the same 无 the same Okay, I read one more time from here This one 是镇深圳 So 镇 So it's 知吃是 Yeah, 深 right? 上海市 This is 日 Yeah, when you say this one 日 So you feel the air from here 日 Yes This one 是字早上好字刺中国菜刺 Number 4 4 Yeah, we will learn all these later, right? Yeah, so 1 5 Okay, who try again for all these? Yes. This again? Now correct. Yes. Now very good. 知吃诗 Because first you said 知 So it's 知吃诗日 Now it's good. Yes. Next, who try? Later, ask his help, okay? Yes, you will help us. Okay, so this is pinyin. So now I realize that for some still have problem. Later I will give time. We make a group to practice because this is important. Later when we see the new words because we really need this, right? Okay, today I will teach you something new. So about pinyin, we have some exception. Here, the difficult part. If 鸡七夕支吃是日子吃四 So all these, if with E, then we ignore E. Then you don't read E on purpose. So this 鸡七夕支吃是日